Hey YouTube, Health Nerd here, and today we're going to talk about my personal skincare protocol that I do every morning. But before we do, we all know that your skin is the largest organ, and there's a lot of commercial grade skincare products out there that aren't good, they're loaded with junk, and your body's going to pull them in and give more problem than it's worth. So you really want to be careful what you're putting on your skin because it will soak everything in. So let's start off with one of my favorites, MSM cream. I use this every morning. This helps for collagen production, so you want to make sure you get on MSM cream. You can also take MSM internally. This is Sun Foods MSM Flakes. You mix this with water, a teaspoon, and this way you're getting it on the exterior and you're getting it in the interior when you take this. This is great stuff here. Another phenomenal product is Vitamin C Repair Cream. This is crucial to your skin. Vitamin C is crucial. Helps build new tissue. It acts as an antioxidant. And it also helps to bind your skin together. Like, I'll give you an analogy. So a new rope is very tight like this. And as the rope gets old, just like your skin, it starts to spread out, and these are lines. The vitamin C helps to bind that back together and reduce those fine lines. So vitamin C cream, highly, highly recommended. My favorite soap here is turmeric, chamomile, and honey. Benefits here. Turmeric as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory for your skin, keeps your skin nice and calm. Chamomile is great because it supports elasticity. So you want your skin to have elasticity and stretch. You don't want it to be dry like a prune. And it also has honey. So honey is great, another antioxidant and antibacterial for a breakout. So it helps keep control. And the most crucial thing is collagen. So there's a couple sources here. So this is a collagen supplement that I take every day. Collagen is crucial to skincare. Keeping it young and plump and moist looking, that nice glow. So that's a supplement version. And then this is a bone broth, which is a food-based version of collagen. So you want to get on both of these. These will definitely help you with any skincare issues and help your skin keep it looking young. So I suggest that you get on these skincare products, and these will have glowing skin. So get on the healthcare skincare products. Do it now. Thanks for watching my skincare video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.